In today's video, we are going to talk about another 5G competitor, and this time it is from Realme. And also, cooking in Realme's kitchen is a competitor to the fitness band category. And finally, what's better than the Oppo Reno and the Oppo Reno 2? The Oppo Reno 3, of course, so remember to keep your eyes peeled on today's episode of ICYMI. The Realme X50 will be unveiled very soon, and this is their first smartphone that comes with 5G. Although the Realme X2 Pro is their current top-of-the-line flagship model, but their upcoming 5G phone is more of an upper mid-range device that comes with an integrated 5G modem. The Realme X50 will be launched in Beijing on the 7th of January 2020, and their CMO has already posted an official image of this device. The rear looks like a Realme XT as it comes with a quad camera setup that's arranged vertically on the top left corner. Powering the device is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 765G processor that's manufactured based on a 7nm plus EUV process. It comes with an integrated 5G modem that supports both NSA and SA networks. We will find out more details in 2 weeks' time. When we think about affordable fitness band, the first thing that came to our mind are brands like Honor and also Xiaomi. Yup, Realme will be introducing their very first fitness band next year. The fitness band plan was revealed by Realme India CEO during its Ask Madhav session on YouTube. He added that Realme aims to be India's tech lifestyle brand and they have some outstanding products on their portfolio. Since Realme focuses on the affordable segment, we can expect their fitness band to compete with the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and also the Honor Band 5. If you're going to the Klang Valley for a short trip, you can now enjoy unlimited rapid KL train rides from as low as 10 ringgit per day. They've announced its discounted My City Pass, which is available from now until the 31st of December 2020. The My City Pass requires a touch and go card, and you can activate 1-day pass for 10 ringgit or 3 days pass for 25 ringgit. And do note that you must have a minimum amount of 5 ringgit to use the pass. And I think it's pretty worth it. Yup, here it is, the Oppo Reno 3. I know the Oppo Reno 2 was launched recently, but here we are looking at what it appears to be the successor of it. And with 5G as their key focus in 2020, the new Oppo Reno 3 and Oppo Reno 3 Pro are the company's first smartphones to support dual-mode 5G. Well, let's talk about the more capable Reno 3 Pro first. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a Snapdragon 765G processor that comes with an integrated 5G modem supporting both NSA and SA architecture. One of the features that I'm excited for is that both the main camera and telephoto camera now comes with improved Ultra Steady Video 2.0 that offers greater stabilization. Moving on to the Oppo Reno 3. This smartphone comes with a slightly smaller 6.4-inch display and it doesn't come with any super fast refresh rate. Unlike the Pro variant, the Oppo Reno 3 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1000L and it also supports dual-mode 5G. Are you guys excited to see this smartphone in Malaysia? Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!